Hello, my name's David Ischak. I'm a technical trainer for Vokera boilers. In this short video, I'll introduce you to the feature that allows the user to select the metric or imperial units on our Vibe MAX boilers. Incidentally, this feature is also available on our Synergy range and our Easy Heat I boiler ranges. It's possible to display units such as temperature and pressure in metric or imperial units. As supplied, the boiler will display metric units, pressure in bar, temperature in centigrade. If you prefer imperial units, we need to enter user parameters, press and hold the menu button for 2 seconds till 004 appears. Press top left to enter. 0 means metric. Selecting 1 and pressing the menu button to confirm will change to imperial units. Return to the main screen with a press on the bottom left button, and now the boiler is displaying PSI and degrees Fahrenheit. I hope this information has been useful. Thank you very much.